This is the beach walking track on the park. See the dead tree shores. Yes, stunning, beautiful parks. Hello. You see the views. When you come here, you will see amazing, really. Something that you can only see here. It's walking track they made around this island, small island. This is small, stunning, beautiful. You see the beauty of this walking track along with seaside. Wow, amazing. Very quiet area because there's a lot of big beaches, so people are scattered around. Some area a lot of gathering, but some very quiet, like this. As you're walking, you see the beauty of this area. See, surrounding by mountain, tree, and some people just wow, amazing. You can feel very fresh if you come here, really, like that you are in another world. See, now started the mountainous park from the so this stunning, beautiful, really, I especially say one of the also best location. So when just you see small area, park, mountain, wow, amazing view, really. See, stunning, beautiful views.